Hello everyone, I'm Olunlade Joshua and welcome to this tutorial series on differential equations. Now what are differential equations, or what is a differential equation? A differential equation is an equation that involves an unknown function and its derivative. So you may be thinking of an equation or a function, an unknown function. Y, for instance, and then its derivative, the y, the x. So a differential equation would be an equation that will involve both of these, both the unknown function y and its derivative. For example, the y, the x is equal to 5x plus 3. So the equation that I've written here is an example of an ordinary differential equation, ODE. And what is an ordinary differential equation? It is a differential equation in which it depends on only one independent variable. A differential equation that depends on only one independent variable, i.e., that is, it depends on perhaps only x or only t or whatever, but it depends on only one independent variable. And an example is given below here, above here. The y dx is equal to 5x plus 3. Another example of a differential equation is e to the power of y, this square y, the x square, plus 2 the y the x square is equal to 1. This is a differential equation. This is the differential equation, but it is of the second order. So now, how do we know if a differential equation is of the first order? This equation here is of the first order. This equation here is of the second order. So now, another question that will pop into your mind is, how do I know if it is of the first or second order? And this is where the next tutorial comes in. Please do well to watch the next video and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you.